Hello guys, welcome to my channel Understanding the Indian Constitution, a simple guide to India's founding document. Now we'll see the structure of Indian Constitution. Articles. The Indian Constitution has around 448 articles. The Indian Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950. This date is celebrated annually as Republic Day in India. The Indian Constitution currently has 25 parts and 12 schedules. Preamble. The preamble is also known as the soul of the constitutions. Now we will see what does preamble mean. Aspirations and aims reflect the dreams and goals of the Indian people. Core values declares India as a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. Commitment ensures justice, liberty, equality and fraternity for every citizen. Part 1. Union and its territories. Territory defines the geographical boundaries of India. New states. Details how new states can be formed or existing ones altered. Laws. Covers laws on territory acquisition and transfer. Part 2. Citizenship. Who is a citizen? Explain who qualifies as an Indian citizen. How to acquire Indian citizenship. List the ways one can become a citizen. Termination. Conditions under which citizenship can be revoked. Now part 3 covers fundamental rights. What are these? Guaranteed rights ensure rights like equality, freedom of speech and personal liberty. Enforceable. These rights are protected by the courts. Part 4. Directive principles of state policy. Guidelines for governance. Suggest principles like social justice and environmental protection. These are not enforceable. Why? These are not legally enforceable but guide state policies. Part 4A. Fundamental duties. Citizen duties. List responsibilities like respecting the constitution and promoting harmony. 42nd Amendment added by the 42nd Amendment Act 1976. Part 5. The Union. Now Union, what does Union mean? Union government describes the structure including the President, Vice President, Prime Minister, Council of Ministers and Parliament. Part 6. The States. State government details the structure and functioning of states governments including governors, chief ministers and state legislatures. Part 7. The states in Part B of the first schedule. Special administration contains provision for certain states. Part 8. The Union territories. Administration details how union territories are governed including their administrators and legislatures. Part 9. The Panchayats. Rural governance establishes panchayat in the rural areas with specific powers and functions. Part 9A. The municipalities and urban governance establishes municipalities in urban areas with specific powers and functions. Part 10. The Schedule A and tribal areas. Special areas. Provisions for the administration of scheduled and tribal areas including autonomous councils. Part 11. Union state relations. Power distribution details legislative and executive powers between the union and the states. Key institution includes the appointment of governors, interstate council and finance commission. Part 12. Finance, property, contracts and suit. Financial matters covers financial issues, property rights and legal proceedings. Part 13. Trade and commerce. Economic regulation describes trade and commerce regulation within India ensuring freedom of trade. Part 14. Services under union and states. Public services. Provisions for recruitment, tenure and service conditions of public servants. Part 14A. Tribunals. Administrative tribunals establishes tribunals for resolving public service disputes. Part 15. Elections. Election process details the conduct of elections for the parliament and state legislatures including the election commission. Part 16. Special provisions for certain cases. Reservations. Provisions for reserving seats in education and public employment for certain classes. Part 17. Official language. Language use describes the official language of India, focusing on Hindi and English in official proceedings. Part 18. Emergency provisions. Emergency situations. Rules for declaring emergencies due to war, aggression or rebellion and suspension of certain rights. Part 19. Miscellaneous. Other provisions includes Miscellaneous details not covered elsewhere in the Constitution. Part 20. Amendment of the Constitution. Amendment process explains how Constitution can be amended by Parliament and state legislatures. Part 21. Temporary and transitional provisions. Special provision. Temporary measures for state reorganization and other transitional matters. Part 22. Short title, commencement and repeals. Final provisions include the short title, commencement, authoritative text in Hindi and repeals of old laws. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. For more informative videos, hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching. Let's keep learning and growing together. See you in the next video. Also, one important thing. This is an introductory lecture on the Indian Constitution for easy understanding. In upcoming videos, we will do a detailed study of the Indian Constitution. Thank you.